Hello everyone, and welcome to the Unmasking the Narcissist channel. I'm Dean, the host of the Unmasking the Narcissist channel, and also the host of the N.A.R.C.N network. Today I'm going to be presenting to you episode 13, part 5, and this episode series, episode 13, is actually a series all about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, and on this series we're going to be discussing, if you haven't seen it before, some of the stuff to do with Amber Heard and the fact that Amber Heard is indeed a narcissist, and we talk a little bit about what level of narcissist she is and some of the things she's doing. But I'm just going to present part 5 right now, where we're going to discuss a couple of things that have been going on after the trial, and this is kind of a follow-up from the previous 4 episodes. We're just going to get into it, and we're going to talk a little bit here about what Amber is actually doing in the confines of her narcissism. Now, it's been amazing to watch her in court, because she is doing all the things that a typical mid to upper level narcissist does. She's constantly lying in the courtroom. She's being caught in her lies. She of course got caught for that whole makeup case fiasco, that she claimed she used a certain type of makeup on the bruises and stuff that Johnny Depp inflicted on her when she was being abused by him. And of course we found out afterwards that the makeup company came forwards and said that they didn't even make that makeup case at the time that Amber was claiming that she used it. Again, she was caught in a lie there, like she's being caught in many other lies. But more particularly here, we're going to just address something that came up during the trial here. And that is that Amber claimed that during the time that she was married to Johnny Depp, that she was never involved with anybody else excuse me, behind his back. But we now know that this is not the case. We know that she lied on the stand about this, because of course there is video that exists out there of this, and I'm just going to show you a couple of pictures. So we're going to go through some stuff here just quickly here on the N.A.R.C.N channel, and I'll show you. This here is a photograph from the elevator in Johnny Depp's penthouse apartment, and it's a picture of Amber in the elevator and the actor James Franco, who is here in these photographs. Obviously you can see in these photographs that he's being very cushy with her. And though I can't show you this in this particular picture, if you look at the timestamp and date on this elevator surveillance footage, this footage is from the time before Amber Heard filed for divorce from Johnny Depp. So again here, she's lying like all narcissists do on the stand in front of a court judge with almost, no care at all. She doesn't care. This is what narcissists do. They just lie about everything that they do, and lie about the things that are going on and everything else. This is just a prime example, and we'll go here to another quick shot of what's going on here. This is actually a screen cap from Popcorn Planet, who's actually Popcorn Planet is a channel on YouTube run by N.A.R.C.N. That's this man over here. And this is, again, a clip of the video surveillance from that same elevator in Johnny Depp's apartment, which Amber Heard was living in at the time. This female down at the bottom, Amy Goodhart, she actually lives in this apartment building, and she was brought on this channel to confirm that this is indeed Johnny Depp's apartment building, and this is indeed the elevator in the apartment building. So in this particular screen cap that I presented here, she is making out in this elevator with Cara Delevingne. Now, she was involved with Cara Delevingne at the same time that she was involved with Elon Musk, I believe. And again, this particular video surveillance picture comes from a time before she filed for divorce with Johnny Depp. So she was indeed caught in this picture cheating with Cara Delevingne. Again, a narcissist lying and being caught in their lies. This is just one more example. And of course, Amy Goodhart confirmed that this is indeed the apartment building that she's in with Cara Delevingne. If we look carefully at this photograph and the previous photograph, we can see that the elevators match. It's the same elevator, and they're in the same building. The background is all the same in there. If we go here to the next photograph, this is a picture, again, of Amber Heard and Elon Musk being quite cuddly with each other in the same elevator, in the same building. This, again, from what I understand, the timestamp and date on this elevator surveillance footage comes from a time before she filed for divorce with Johnny Depp. So again, another example of a lie that she used in court, where she said she was never involved with Elon Musk, and she was definitely not involved with him before she became separated from Johnny Depp, or divorced from Johnny Depp. These photographs come from a time before that, before Amber Heard actually filed for divorce. So these are just some of the prime examples I'm giving you guys of how she's been lying in court, and just lie after lie in court, it seems like. I wish I could show you the actual video footage that Judge Jeannie Pirro had to talk about on Fox News the other day, but because of copyright reasons I can't really do that. Jeannie Pirro is a former New York State judge. She's very recognized and quite respected in her as a judge. And she went on Fox News and did a little short 2-minute interview on Fox News that I saw. And Judge Jeannie literally just tore Amber Heard apart and said this woman has lied on the stand not once, but many times, and has been caught many times. And how she is not paying for lying on the stand up to this point, Judge Jeannie can't really understand. I can't understand either, because when you go in a court of law and you lie, you will get caught for this, or if you do get caught for this, you could actually see some jail time. And yet, nothing like this has actually happened in this instance with Amber Heard. Yet she's lied repeatedly and been caught in lies repeatedly here. To me, it's fascinating. But again, this is a prime example of what narcissists do, what they attempt to get away with. They just lie and lie, lies on top of lies, and it just propagates and continues here because they can't help themselves. Amber Heard has a disease, and her disease is narcissistic personality disorder. She's also definitely bipolar. She's also definitely got a number of other disorders mixed in there. And these all cause her to function the way that she does. But the most problematic things are her just reoccurrent lying here with everything that she does. She can't help herself. Her narcissism will not allow her to be realistic and truthful. She just cannot do this, and she's just continuing on and on and on with this. You know, we've got a thing going on right now in the news with her where she got caught at TJ Maxx the other day shopping there. And of course, some stuff has come up in the past couple of days where we now know that TMZ, the TMZ channel, was there to film her while she was at TJ Maxx. Well, apparently it's come out now from the head of the TMZ channel that they were indeed contacted by Amber and told to show up there to film her. So again, Amber trying to show that, oh, I'm shopping at TJ Maxx because I have no money and I can't pay my bills and I can't pay my court case with Johnny Depp. It's a bunch of crap. This is all just a facade and all a thing that's put out there for all of us to see. This is just Amber painting a picture of herself like all narcissists do. That picture is completely inaccurate. It may be the case that she does not actually have any money because, as we know, she's not worth that much. She's not worth that much. She's only worth about $8 million or something, or a little less than that. And her court costs that she owes to Johnny are far beyond that. But indeed, this is just Amber painting a picture through the use of media, through the use of TMZ, through the use of just illusion and deception. This is what all narcissists do, and it's just amazing to watch. So I figured I'd cover this in part 13, episode 5 here, just keep you guys up to date on what's going on with her and the factor that she's being caught in so many other lies, just like this footage of the people she was involved with here in the elevator that have been caught before the time that she actually applied for divorce from Johnny Depp. So I'm going to say to you guys, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'm going to have lots of new content coming up on the N.A.R.C.N network and on the Unmasking the Narcissist channel. I've got about 20 new videos coming up in the next little while. I hope you guys stay tuned for those. I'm going to say Have a great, awesome day, and I'll catch you really soon with some new content.